Folks, crazy wind. See the flags? Crazy pilot. Great plane. Perfectly sane plane. So, but I have to see in 15-mile-an-hour wind or more. I think gusts are almost 20. I got to see how this Tecnam performs. I just got to know how she does in high wind. And that way, if you decide to buy this plane, you know, you have an informed decision there. Man, going into the wind, she's almost standing still trying to approach for landing. Oh boy. Definitely don't need flaps going into this strong of a wind. I'm nuts. Why am I flying in this wind? Why am I doing this? All this wind, gosh. Y'all can hear it. If y'all hear, y'all remember, this GoPro has a great... Look at this wind. Look at the flags. See? The GoPro has a great sound wind buffer in her. See the wind? Shit! Oh, sorry. Excuse my language. Man. Come back here now. I know the things you do to test planes, right? Alright. Well, the wind's out of that direction now. Oh. Come on, don't do it. Yeah. So get her up in the air. Yeah, I definitely don't want to try to land with the wind today. Definitely don't want to do that. Oh man, that wind is just crabbing her. Gonna get a little bit of power there.
Remaining 5 minutes.
It's a pretty day, but man, is it windy. All right, let's see if we can't land her like I should. That's not too bad. That wind's got her everywhere, folks. That was almost perfect, if not perfect. I'm running a 2700 Hobby Star 3S in her. She's a 3S bird, she's not a 4S bird. You put a 4S in her, you're going to fry the ESC. I don't think it's rated for 4S, I think it's 3S only, if I remember correctly. Well, folks, there you go. It's just, I think I've made my point that she handles the wind fine. Just be careful on your approach. Your landing approach. All right, we're going to turn against the wind. Don't flip. Okay, good. You know what? Come on, let's do it one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. And sorry for my swear word earlier. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, you know, I gotta do it again. You know, once you get to become a little more of an experienced pilot, you need to come out on these windy days and learn to embrace the wind. And learn how to fly against it and use it to be your friend. All right, folks, we're gonna have to call it quits now. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That's the Tecnam 2010 by Arrows RC. You can buy it at Arrows RC directly, or you can buy it at Hobby Zone. That's the only two places you can pick it up at. Thank you so much for watching. Look at them flags. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all. And what you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off, that's right. All right, folks. You know what? Hold on. Well, I still had 3 minutes left, so I probably got about 70% left on that battery. Bye-bye.